All right, 117 and only 17% humidity. I'm telling you, I've never seen that here, ever. We've been humid, but there's actually 47% humidity in here, but it's 64 degrees. But look at that. Holy cow. This is West Central Illinois, not Arizona. Bill Goudy checking in. Gonna have a little dirty rice, almost. It's gonna be dirty rice cauliflower. You know, gotta be low carb. I don't eat rice anymore. I haven't eaten rice since 7 years ago. Peachy bee, Lake Living bee, Alabama bee, I don't know. I just call her bee. She suggested that I make some dirty rice. And I got to thinking, no, I should. So that's what we're going to have today. Ground beef, rice cauliflower, a little beef broth, some seasonings, some peppers, and some Cajun seasonings. I want to thank Shep, 1957 Shep, for sending me this Cajun seasoning. It's excellent stuff. It's really good stuff. Something else I want to thank. I want to thank Calvin's Corner, 72. Look at that. He sent me a brand new koozie. He says it's going to bring me 2 times the luck. We shall see. We shall see. Anyway, let's get to cooking, shall we? 1 pound ground beef, beef broth, black pepper, oregano, Cajun blend, Shepherd's Cajun blend, and a peppercorn medley. And here I have diced red and yellow peppers and garlic and onion and mushrooms and rice cauliflower. I have 2 bags of rice cauliflower. I'm going to see how far it stretches. I may need to have 2. I'm not sure. We will see. Gonna brown up the ground beef. That's a hot fire. Need to get my fly shooter out. Plenty of flies today. I'll get them slowed down here. My rice cauliflower was frozen, so I put the lid on and let it defrost. Then we'll get back to cooking. Take a little break here. Yeah, that's Zevia Cola. Not a bush. Not today, anyway. That's about half that can. That's a 14-ounce can. Yeah. Oh, that looked good. In here, I don't know if you can see this, you can't hardly see it, but that's my oregano, black pepper, Cajun seasoning. I put it all in one little container and dumped it in there. The fire's just about perfect. It's just coals down there, but it's hot. But it's just enough to simmer it. It's just simmering real nice. I want it to simmer like that for just a little bit longer. And it'll be time to eat. Look at the goodness. It's 81 degrees outside. The flies are terrible. I moved inside, turned the AC on. Yeah, I did it for you guys. Got my vegetables cooking. This is excellent, I'm telling you. It is really good. Thank you, B. Thank you for the suggestion. It was awesome. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. Yesterday, I got a koozie from Calvin's Corner, 72. He said I would get 2 times the luck using his koozie. And I think he was talking about catching fish. But the very next day, I get 2 koozies from BigCypressLake.com, Chestnut's Hideaway. Look at that, will ya?